I'd like to take you through how we can set up Informacast integration with our BenQ boards using our Exxon Broadcast backend service. Once you're logged into the Exxon Broadcast with either an administrator, substitute administrator, or other authorized account, we're going to go to All Devices here. Going to ensure that this box is checked for all your devices selected. Then under Device Control, if you scroll, you're going to see right here it says Informacast Settings. We're going to go ahead and toggle this on. So Accept Interrupt is now on. Setting. We're going to go ahead and add a tag group. So I'm going to select, in this case, all boards. And test. Okay. So I now have this grouping for my Informacast settings. I'll hit OK. For that to take effect, we're going to go ahead and hit Apply. All right, so now when we go back under the device control, Informacast settings is still toggled on. Under endpoint settings, you have this new icon here that says copy URL. If I click that in the bottom corner here, it's going to say URL copied. This is going to be the URL that you're going to take over into your Informacast account to copy and paste into your Informacast so that that connection can be made. This is also known as a token and is utilized to connect two services together. In this case, we're connecting Informacast to our Exxon broadcast. And that's all there is to connecting your Informacast settings with our Exxon broadcast.